Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature on Telegram that allows you to send videos with a one-time view option. This is perfect for sharing content privately and securely, ensuring that your video can only be seen once by the recipient. Let's explore the simple steps you need to follow to send a one-time view video on Telegram using your Android device. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send your video. It's as easy as tapping on the chat you have in mind. Next, look for the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your gallery where you can select the video you'd like to send. Once you've found the video, tap on it to select it. Here comes the crucial part. Once the video is selected, you'll spot a small one icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap this icon to activate the one-time view feature. Now, simply tap on View Once. This ensures that your recipient can only watch the video a single time before it disappears. Finally, hit the send icon to share your video. And there you have it. Your one-time view video is now on its way to the chat. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Telegram's privacy features and keep your content secure.